Well, we both know if we prep and apply Plasti Dip correctly,
It'll peel.
it peels off very easily. It's very durable. It lasts for years. We get a lot of questions about why didn't this peel off? Why does it look rough? Why doesn't it look the way I want it to do? And we all know prep is key.
Prep is key.
And so is applying plenty of product.
Proper application, absolutely.
So when you do this, whether it's wheels, emblems, mirror caps, chrome delete, whatever it happens to be, what are your basic must-dos?
Attention to detail. Clean the surface very, very well. Most glass cleaners are going to be adequate to clean the surface and get it ready for Plasti Dip. If you have like a tougher surface that's a little dirtier, any type of like degreaser or whatnot, that'll work. Start with that, finish off with glass cleaner, make sure it's dry, and then the next step we go into would be masking it off. Now that the surface is nice and clean, you want to go and grab your blue painter's tape. You can get this pretty much anywhere, and you want to basically mask off the area that you're going to spray. Make sure you paper or plastic around it to take care of any overspray that may get on anything, and then go ready for the next step, which is going to be getting your cans ready. You want to make sure your cans are at room temperature. So if it's cold outside, bring them in the house. If it's hot outside, bring them in the house. That's the optimal temperature for spraying this stuff. You definitely also want to use in a very well ventilated area. Once you've got them at room temperature, then the next step is obviously to shake them. And on the cans it says 1 to 2 minutes, and you're ready to go.